The other day I bought a wired controller. It's a USB wired controller and want to hook it up to a Nintendo Switch. And it's made by Gamester. It's about $10 from Walmart. This is how the controller look like, front and the back. Here is the USB port of the controller. And now I'm going to connect that USB port into the docking station of the Nintendo Switch. Here I'm just using my one hand, the other hand holding in camera. And here we go, I can get that into the USB port. So here it showed me taking the video, and look at the left corner, it said pair. So it pair with the controller, so you should be able to work with the switch. However, when I try to move the stick and hit the buttons, it doesn't look like it works at all. So I use the Joy-Con and go to the control setting and try to pair the wire controller. And this is what it said: hook up the USB connector to the controller and you should pair by itself. And this is what exactly I did, but it didn't work. So I go over to find controller and try to search the controller using these settings, and be searching and nothing happened. Couldn't find the controller. And then on the right bottom corner it said if controller can't be found, and give me a bunch of detail, and it doesn't make sense to me. So I go back to the home page, and after I've done some research, this is what I found to fix the problem. So you go all the way to the right, go to the setting part right here, which bring you to the system settings. On the left there are a bunch of menus. Go all the way down, keep going until you see controller and sensor. Then on the right, scroll down all the way to Pro Controller Wire Connector. Here show is off, turn it on. And here show there's a warning, just read through that. It affect you but doesn't affect me. Then I keep scrolling down on the right menu to see if there's any setting there I need to fix or change. And it look like nothing I need to change, and now I'm testing my USB wire controller. Alright, it works. See? I can move up and down of the menu, move to the right, and it's working. And also the button works. However, it does not correspond to what it said on the menu. A is okay, but A is not okay on my button. It seems like the A is B and B is A and X is Y and Y is X, and so I know I need to change the mapping of the button. So I go to the controller and sensor menu, go to change button mapping, and I found that the mapping is different from the USB controller I have. Here on the screen it says XABY, but my controller is YBAX, totally reverse. So this is what I did. Go to the change button and see all the mapping here. Then find the A button screen over there and hit on that button. Then I change the mapping from A to B and hit that button. Here on the screen you show A to B. Then also repeat the same step to change from B to A. Then change X to Y and Y to X. After all the mapping is finished, hit the done button. Then I got a confirmation. It said your button has been changed. And now I want to test if the change will work. So here if I hit A means okay. I hit the A button and it shows it works. And then I hit the B button, it says go back. Hey, it works also. Now you see everything is working. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you. See you later.